Hey buddies, what's up? Welcome to a new video on my channel. In this episode, the flooring gets in. We have done the flooring already for the most part. Just have to get the covering around the edges, and we put the wall up here, or the shade, or whatever it is called. Yeah, for the cinema wall. Yeah, and we gonna hang up the beamer. So this is the beamer. It's a Optoma HD27E, and yeah, it's good for that is like a mid-budget beamer. I think the new price is around 600 or 700 euros, and yeah, so it's good for watching movies also in 3D. It's a DLP beamer, and it's also good for gaming because it has a really quick response time. Yeah, so we're gonna hang it up on the ceiling. We got the screen on here, so we're gonna hang up this thing on the roof like that, or the ceiling like this, and so we are going for 110-inch diameter screen. Alright, so we're gonna hang that up, and then we go ahead. Okay, that's what the new flooring looks like. Yeah, and yeah, so I have to put some end pieces on there and then remove all the scratches. But yeah, for right now that is how it looks. Now we already put the screen on there for the beamer. Looks pretty awesome. So that is how it looks now. Yeah, so that looks way better than before. And yeah, so now I go ahead and get rid of the scuff marks down there, and we're gonna see us again. Alright, so we are mounting the beamer right now, and yeah, I'm gonna hold it. Okay, so we're gonna mount the beamer and then we're gonna see this again. Alright buddies, so the beamer is in place. Yeah, so yeah, don't worry about the cables. We're gonna put them away later on. But for right now, so we installed the beamer and the screen and made the floor in this video. And the next video, some more gaming equipment is coming in here. But that's it for now.
Das ist aber happy.
Yeah, that is how the screen looks like. Yeah, playing some Need for Speed right now. But yeah, the picture is awesome. It's a nice beamer. Yeah, and it was really cheap. Yeah, way cheaper than a TV actually. But yeah, so that's it for the video for today, and we're gonna see us next week.